In October of last year, 2022, I was living in Florida. I went to the Aspen in Florida, in a town called Niceville. I had 6 or 7 extractions, and they were going to make me an upper and a lower denture. Because of the extractions, I had to wait several weeks to let my gums heal and swelling go down, blah, blah, blah. Went back and had them made. I went back one time. The lower one wasn't feeling right, so they relined it. As luck would have it, I was unable to go back to have any future work done there. I had to move from Florida to the state of Missouri at the end of March. I intended to go back to a different Aspen here because before I left Florida, they told me any future work that I needed done, I could get done at any Aspen. I took them at their word. I got to Missouri in April. Shortly after that, I had to have an emergency surgery. I was gone. I was unable to go to Aspen for a while. I had made a couple of appointments with Aspen in a town called Festus. I did have to end up canceling those appointments because I had COVID. I then went back to, when I was all better, I went back to the Aspen in Festus, Missouri. They looked at everything. They told me that the top denture was not made properly. They would remake it for 400 and something dollars. And I said, no, that's not going to happen. What they told me, each Aspen office is individually owned. And I sort of understand that, but there is a corporate label that they all fall on. My argument to them was if I buy something at Walmart in Florida, move to Missouri and need to return that item, I can return it anywhere. Anyway, they wanted $400 to fix just the top denture. I said, no, that's not going to happen. After discussing, sometimes not in such a nice way, I was mad. I'll admit to that. The office manager there finally told me to leave her office. I didn't use any foul language. I didn't raise my voice. I told her she. A couple months went by. I am retired. I was doing well without any teeth at all, but I decided I wanted to go back to work part-time to supplement my income. I wanted teeth to be able to do that. I went to a different Aspen in town near here called Arnold, Missouri. They looked at my mouth. The doctor there told me first thing that the dentures that I had made in Florida were made improper. So that's 2 different Aspens that told me they were made improper. What can we do about it? Well, we can make you a new one for $800 something. I said, no. I don't understand why I should have to pay for something that you made incorrectly in the first place. The doctor told me, well, you have dry mouth. That's why they're not fitting properly. I'm almost 70 years old. I would know if I have a dry mouth or not. So I said, no, I'm not going to accept that. They said, well, that's what we can do. $800 and something will make you do it. I said, no, that's not acceptable. You need to fix what Aspen, not this Aspen, but an Aspen made wrong to begin. Well, no, we can't do that. And in all fairness, these dentures did come with a warranty. By the time I was able to go back and get this done, yes, the warranty had expired. But I don't know how a warranty expiring could apply to something that was made wrong in the first place, as told to me by 2 different doctors. So I told him, no, I'm not going to pay another $800. So I came home that day angry, frustrated, and I posted a review on Google. Within a matter of a couple hours, the doctor who told me that she was the owner of that facility asked me to take the review down because she was afraid that it was going to hurt her business. Said, no, my review stands. I will keep it posted unless you and I come to some sort of agreement that is acceptable. Well, please take it down. I don't want you to ruin my business. I just told you what it's going to take for me to take it down. And the review is still up. As there is a review with your site as well. I have subsequently gone to a different dental practice just a few weeks ago that made me a set of dentures that are working just fine. So now the ones that I have from Aspen, I forget what the total bill was at the beginning, but I deducted what they charged me for extractions. That was fair. I have $1,600 worth of teeth sitting in a cup in my medicine cabinet that will not stay in my mouth if I try to talk. If I try to talk, they just jump out of my mouth. I can't eat with them. They're absolutely useless to me. One Aspen can't fix it because it's past the warranty time. I question why, if they told me twice that they were made wrong from the beginning. One Aspen wanted $400, 400 and something dollars to fix it. Another one wanted 800 and something dollars to fix it. I am confused as to how their pricing works. It seems very random. It seems that we are going to try to soak you for as much money as we can possibly get. And I'm retired. I live on a fixed income. I can't afford to do that.